Hey guys, I am so excited for today's video because it's going to be a pretty big makeup haul. I was on vacation in Italy. It was amazing. And we were in Milan and I was like, well, you can't go to Milan and not shop at Kiko Milano. There was a Kiko store really close to our hotel and I bought some stuff from Essence and I did receive a couple of things in PR. I am just going to do a full face try on haul here. If you are new, please subscribe. I love makeup. It is a whole lot of fun and it was fun to buy makeup in a different country. It was awesome. So yeah, there's a lot. Let's get into this. Like I said, I was in Milan. It was amazing. And so I bought some stuff at Kiko. I also bought a couple things from Essence. And this one I was sad to find out. I talked about this in my Sephora dupes video, the Essence highlighter. This is not available in the US, sadly. And a lot of the Kiko stuff is not either, but I know some of you guys live in Europe, so you definitely have access to this stuff. I was amazed how much was in the Kiko store. It was amazing. Anyway, more to come on that, but I did receive this palette in PR from Nomad Cosmetics. It's the Ghost Town USA, and I thought I would do a look with it. A lot of people have already done like swatches and all of that, so I'm just gonna do a one look. I haven't used it yet. It's beautiful. Absolutely. So here it is. Amazing. I want to start with this shade in the crease, and I need to try to somewhat hurry this along because I have a lot to talk about in this video. This shade is called Undead Sheriff. I'm going to put that in the crease. And yeah, they did send me this in PR. Most of the stuff in this video I bought myself, but a couple of things I got in PR I will share. I am just really excited to play with makeup today. That's what I want to be doing right now, is playing with makeup. Okay, so darkening this up. I think I want to go with this one called Deadwood. This is a pretty, like, it's a lot of neutrals in this palette. But you also have these like greens over here, a purple shimmer. It's very pretty. I want to use several of these shimmers, that is for sure. Blend this out, all right. And some of the Nomad palettes tend to have more mattes than shimmers, but this one is even, which is really, really awesome. I mean, these metallic shades look amazing. I don't even know like what I want to go with. I think I want to start with this one, then maybe this one, maybe this one. I don't know. So many good options. So this shade is called Quicksilver. Ooh, this looks intense. I'm out of setting spray and I've been using water, which is not as good. But it helps a little, but I think setting spray, I don't know, something about the ingredients of setting spray just works better. Wow, this shade is a really intense silver. That is pretty. Okay, and then what do I want to go with? Maybe Gold Rush? Let's do Gold Rush. Yeah, these metallics are so intense. Ooh, I'm very excited. I love the Nomad formula. I have several of their palettes. Some I got in PR and some I bought myself. Like I said, this one they did send me. Wow, those are amazing. Let's go with Copper Penny in the middle. Let's see here. Wow, these are so pretty. Okay, very excited. If you want me to do more looks with this palette, let me know. I was thinking for sure at least to do like a YouTube short, but I thought it'd be fun to just include it in this video. Okay, I'm gonna just blend this out a bit and I'll be back. Okay, moving on. So like I said, I went to Kiko Milano. Oh my gosh, they have so much stuff in the store. It is amazing. And I looked online in the US. You can order some of it online in the US, but some of the stuff I bought is not available. But if you're in Europe, check it out. Okay, I bought this eyeshadow, which I did use on my vacation. It's very pretty. It's the High Pigment Eyeshadow in shade 24. And it's really pretty. Very intense metallic. Look at that. It's like light copper champagne. Very, very pretty. So I wore this several times while I was on the trip. It was awesome. So from Kiko that I'm going to actually try on in this video, I have a bronzer. Look at this. It's so pretty. It is the shade 01 Sienna. And this was like in the center of the store. It looked to be like some sort of summer collection. I did get their foundation, and this one I did not see on the website. It is the Unlimited Foundation from Kiko, and I have shade 1.5G, and I did wear this on my trip, and I definitely liked it. It was so hot. So we went to Lake Como for 2 days, Milan for 2 days, and then we were in Switzerland in the Alps for a few days. It was amazing. I went with my husband and his parents, and for my mother-in-law's birthday. We had so much fun. It was amazing. Switzerland is beautiful, but definitely my favorite part of the trip was Italy. I had never been before, so obviously there's so much more left to see of Italy, but Como and Milan were absolutely amazing. And of course, I was so excited that our hotel was by a Kiko store, so of course I had to go buy some makeup at Kiko. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Kiko before, which is crazy. This foundation is looking like a little yellow on camera, but I feel like it matches me better in real life. Maybe it's like slightly dark. I didn't really notice that before, but that's fine. We're gonna make it work. I did get this stuff in PR from Smashbox. They sent me the tinted moisturizer, which I've had a deluxe size of this before, and I did like it. I'm gonna hold off on using that today though. They sent me these, the Halo Healthy Glow Perfecting Pen. So this one looks to be light, like this would be a concealer shade for me, and then this is a slightly deeper shade that I could maybe use as a bronzer. I'm gonna hold off on that because I have more bronzers to talk about, but let's try this concealer out. This I haven't tried. I just got this in PR yesterday. Let's see. Is anything going to come out of here? Hold on. Okay, there we go. I got some product. So yeah, this is a first impression. I've never used this, but I'm excited. Let's maybe do this because looking at this foundation, I do think it's a little dark. So we'll just kind of brighten things up with this concealer. I don't love these type of packaging because I do feel like it gets messy. But let's see how the formula is. It's definitely not a really high coverage, which is okay. I don't mind. It's a thinner formula. Doesn't seem too dry. Okay. So far, I think that looks pretty nice. So I already did a video on the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. I ordered it from Sephora, so I'm not even showing it here because it's over there. I've already done a video. I did 2 looks and swatches. But in that same order, I ordered something I've wanted for a while, the Tower 28. This is the Sculptino in the shade Getty. And I have tried this. I do like it. I am kind of obsessed with cream bronzer, and this is supposed to be more of like a contour shade, even though I'm going to use the Kiko bronzer, but let's just do a little bit of contour with this. Still have the lines on my face from sleeping because I haven't been awake for that long. Hopefully that's going to go away. Okay, I do like this. I do have a Tower 28 cream blush, and I think that one is really, really good also. Okay, I need to set my face because then I'm going to be moving on to powder products. I feel like the Kiko foundation is pretty matte. I hardly had to put any powder on. I just did a small amount. So let's go with the Kiko bronzer. And And yeah, if you guys live in Europe, please let me know. Is this part of like a limited edition summer collection or what? Because I didn't really know. It was just kind of in the middle of the store and the packaging was a different color. So yeah, but it was so fun to go to the Kiko store. I was so excited. I swatched a bunch of stuff and it was awesome. And I feel like the prices were really good. It almost seemed like things were cheaper, which I mean makes sense. It's from Milan, so prices were not bad. I think this bronzer was like 12 euros, something like that. The foundation was a little bit more, maybe it was like 20 euros. I don't remember exactly, but anyway, okay, so then also Essence. So I went to a store, I think it was called OVS. I bought some clothes there. It was awesome. And they also had some makeup. They had Makeup Revolution and Essence. And this is the Essence blush. This is the shade Beloved. This, I do think they sell at Ulta. I've had one of their blushes before and I liked it. So I was like, yeah, let's buy another one. The other one I had, I ended up decluttering because the packaging like broke. But we'll see. I'm hoping that doesn't happen. But this highlighter, yeah, I talked about it in my Sephora dupes video. And yeah, this is definitely not available in the US. The Gimme Glow Luminous Highlighter. It is so pretty, such a good formula. If you can buy this, it's really, really good. I'm very impressed. Really finely milled formula. I said in that dupes video, it really reminds me of the Becca formula because it's just so finely milled and it's beautiful. Okay, final look. I love how this turned out. These metallics are amazing. I'm so impressed with this eyeshadow. It seems to be the usual Nomad formula, but again, it's only my first time using this palette. The packaging is so cool though. But if you want me to do more looks, I think I want to do another short or well, a short because I haven't done one yet. Really, really beautiful. Fun color story for fall. Lip products. I bought a lip liner from Essence and I can't find it. And I'm getting really mad at myself because I hate losing things and I really hope I didn't leave it in a hotel. Okay. I'll look for that later, but I just looked through all my lip products and I can't find it anywhere. Oh, shoot. Okay, slight intermission. I found the Essence lip liner, which was very exciting. I was going to be so mad at myself. So this is the Soft and Precise Lip Pencil from Essence. And what shade do I have? I don't know. Hold on. What does it say? Oh, this is shade 21 Charming. So let me swatch this for you. This is a drier formula. The Kiko is definitely a more moisturizing formula, but this is pretty long wearing. Like I said, I did wear all this stuff on my vacation and I felt like both lip liners lasted really well. This is a drier formula. It's kind of one of those wooden pencils. So the Kiko is definitely a creamier formula. But yeah, this is more like a mauve shade and I wanted more like a brownie nude from the other brand. I didn't want to buy like the same shade, but I'm so into lip pencils. So yes, I'm excited. I found the Essence lip pencil and I really like it. I did buy a lip liner at Kiko and this is the Creamy Color Comfort Lip Liner. It's a really nice formula, shade 20. I am wearing this. Let me swatch it for you. It's like a lighter neutral, very, very pretty. And then I'm wearing a little bit of this lipstick. This lipstick, oh my gosh, it is magnetic. Ah, how cool is that? Amazing. And yeah, this I think was like maybe 10 euros. And this is in the shade, this is the Velvet Passion Matte Lipstick. This is shade 328. And I'm wearing a little bit of this also. Very, very nice. So I'm loving these lip products. And again, can we magnetic? That is so amazing. All right, so the Kiko stuff is awesome. I feel like now that my makeup is done, the foundation color looks better. I do feel like it looked a little bit dark at first, but the bronzer is so pretty. And this packaging, oh my gosh. So yeah, there's all this amazing Kiko stuff that we don't get in the US. This is awesome though. And love that. So I love all the Kiko stuff. Also, I bought this at the drugstore, I think last month. I talked about this in my Sephora dupes video. It's the NYX Fat Lip Oil. I got the shade Scrollin'. I bought this at Target. This is such a nice lip oil. I'm late to the party when it comes to this. If I can open it. But it's really, really good. There it is right there. Beautiful, and it's a nice formula for sure. And yeah, if you want me to do more videos on the Smashbox stuff, the concealer seems nice. It's light coverage, but I think it also helped even out the foundation shade, but it's really nice. And of course, the Essence blush and the highlighter, fantastic. Oh, if you can get this highlighter, it's so good. And also, I'm excited that I tried the Tower 28 Sculptino. And yeah, check out my video on the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. And I really hope I find that Essence lip liner. I am so mad at myself. But it was fun to buy stuff on vacation, I have to say. It's like a whole fun thing. And even like the Essence, like obviously I could buy that blush at Ulta. But I don't know, it's just something about being on vacation and buying something new that will kind of make you remember the trip. But the highlight was definitely the Kiko stuff because we don't have that here. So yeah, and I had a lot of fun. It was a great trip. So yeah, let us know what you think. Do you have any other recommendations, especially from Kiko? Let me know, because now that I've tried the brand, although seeing the selection they have actually in Italy and then seeing what they have here on the website and on Ulta, it doesn't even compare. Like, the options in that store, guys, like it was amazing. They had everything, and they had just multiple different types of lipsticks, 3 formulas of lipsticks, different lip liner formulas. Like, it was a lot. If you can go to a Kiko store, it's awesome. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you are new, please subscribe. I'm having fun with makeup here. That's what I'm doing. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a great day.